Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. So guys, have you seen Chanel's latest runway collection for Fall/Winter 2022 at the recently concluded Paris Fashion Week? OMG, that's all that I can say. I super enjoyed this very beautiful collection. It's mainly inspired by the Chanel tweed, which I am so obsessed as of the moment. So bravo and congratulations to Team Chanel. Their collection is super fabulous. It's young, it's modern, it's contemporary, it's sexy, powerful at the same time. So guys, you are in luck because for today's episode, we are mainly going to discuss all the Chanel bags that walk the Fall/Winter 2022 one-way collection of Chanel. So we are going to discuss Chanel's micro bags, Chanel with top handle, vanity bags, flap bag, and what I feel is the rebirth of the Chanel Le Boy. OMG. So guys, if you don't want to be left behind, and if you want to get first dibs on this up and coming Fall/Winter 2022 Chanel bags and reserve it with your SAs, make sure you stay tuned until the end of the episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing luxury addicted family by clicking this cute little icon here so you could easily subscribe and be a member again of our luxury addicted family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramirify so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Alright, so let's start first with the micro bags for Fall/Winter 2022. So you're going to see lots of heart-shaped bags in this collection, just like with Spring/Summer 2022. As you know, they have released the heart-shaped bag, which everyone is so crazy about. So here is another example of heart-shaped micro bag by Chanel. As you're going to see, the pattern is in tweed. Here is another micro bag but with top handle. So I believe they're calling this one clutch with chain, when you could put in your cards. Then we have another teeny tiny micro bag. Definitely I would wear this one just like this as a necklace, but I believe you could put your AirPods in it. We also have this very beautiful clutch with chain. This one I super love because it is in caviar leather. Then we have another micro bag. So this one, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, is in patent leather. Then this lipstick clutch. So definitely just put in your lipstick and use it as an accessory or as a necklace. Then again, here we have another heart-shaped bag or micro bag. Alright, next is top handle bags, vanity bags, and clutch bag. So first one, let's go with the clutch with chain. So as you're going to see, I love the shape of this one, and it comes with 3 camellias as design. Then we go with vanity. So this is another vanity for Fall/Winter 2022 in bright pink color. I love that it looks really structured, as we are going to see in the next photo here. As you can see, it's really structured, but the outer, I believe it's made with fabric. And I love the writing or the logo of Chanel. So we have here another vanity bag. So this looks like the heart-shaped bag, only it's in square shape. This one I super love, guys. So they are coming up with backpacks with top handle. So this is made in patent leather. So another patent leather crossbody bag. So this one I super love as well. Comes with top handle, which is very handy. Another version of this top handle bag. Now this comes in shearling. I love like the little charm that it comes with it. Then this one, OMG. So this is, I believe it's a clutch with chain with top handle. Super love this one. So if I'm not mistaken, this is the Chanel 22. So they are going to continue this in their coming collection. Here is a barrel bag of Chanel. So what I love about this bag are the little charms that it comes with, as you're going to see here. Then here is another Chanel 22 bag. Comes in tweed. So here is another photo of the Chanel 22. What can you say, guys, of the Chanel 22? So the reason why I'm saying it's Chanel 22, as you're going to see here while we're zooming in, you're going to see the Chanel logo. Then of course the Deauville. So honestly guys, I'm not a fan of the Deauville, but this looks fun. Alright, next is the Rebirth of Chanel Boy. So as you're going to see here, this is the new look of Chanel Boy. So it comes in shearling. The only difference from the classic Chanel Boy is it comes in the half moon shape. I super love the logo of Chanel here. So here's another example in smaller size. So it really does look like the classic Le Boy. So guys, please comment down below, what do you think of the Rebirth of Chanel Le Boy? Yes or no? Alright, next are the flap bags for fall winter 2022. So here we have 3 flap bags that walk the runway. So we have in the half moon shape, then we have the classic flap and the mini square. So here is another flap bag. So I love this one. It comes with top handle. Again, I love the charm that it comes with. The pattern, it looks like the chocolate bar pattern. So here we are going to see tweed on tweed combo. So zooming at it closely, so it is a Chanel mini square, if I'm not mistaken, in tweed. So here we have another flat bag of Chanel. This one, guys, I'm a little bit confused because the shape is not square. So I'm not sure if this is a deformed mini square because it looks like a trapezoid shape. So, or maybe that's a newer design. What do you think? So here is a very special flap bag. So you're going to notice it's not a turn lock CC, but you're going to notice the jewel design at the flap of the bag. So this one is the half moon shape. So they're bringing it back from the vintage 90s look. So the shearling and of course the CC turn lock logo. We have the mini square. So this one comes with the CC turn lock, but of course it comes also with the zipper opening. So this one, I believe, comes in lambskin and aged gold hardware. Super nice. Love the shape of this one. So another example of the Chanel mini square. Ooh, love the color of this one. So again, aged gold hardware with CC turn lock closure. Love to have this one. In tweed flap bag. I love the design at the edge of the bag, as you're going to see. It comes with the chain link design as well. This one, guys, I'm sure this would be super expensive because it's fully sequined. Actually, I love the color combination of this one. So it comes in black, there's light pink, then there's fuchsia pink. Super love this classic flap and this super embellished design. So another example of a different turn lock or a different closure. So we have here the design, a jewel design closure of a flap bag. Then we have an envelope style flap bag. So I love actually the quilting pattern of this one, using different pattern or style and design of tweed. Then we have the, if I'm not mistaken, this is the mini rectangular size. What do you think of this one, guys? Looks cute, right? Ooh, so another envelope style flap bag. So I am actually would love to have this in my collection because of the colorway that it comes with. It's more on the neutral side. Super love. So this one is a lambskin mini square. So if I'm not mistaken, comment down below, is this patent leather, guys? What do you think? So this one is another mini square flap bag, and of course with the zipper opening. Comes in 2 different types of tweed.
There, how did you love our episode for today? So hopefully you enjoyed Chanel's Fall/Winter 2022 collection. So did you take screenshot, guys? I believe you could already check with your SAs when they're going to release this. So this is for Fall/Winter 2022. So definitely stay tuned until I believe it will be on the late third quarter or the early fourth quarter this year. So guys, please join the conversation. I would love to hear from each and every one of you among the wide selection of Chanel bags that I've shown you, which one is your favorite. Again guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing family by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our luxury addicted family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Amirify so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A billion thank you guys for staying with me until the end of this episode. I would be leaving a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I would see everyone soon. Bye!